Hey guys, wasn't much garage sales going on today, so decided to head up to Flea Market. It is about 10 o'clock. Let's see if we can find some stuff to resell at 10 o'clock. Let's go.
This one has like 80 games on it.
Yeah, I've seen them before.
And then this one's got like 60.
Cool.
That's all for the newer ones. You got iPhone 8 and next one. 8.
It's empty. Ooh. Those are money. Couldn't record the whole time. I've been playing music in here, but a couple of cassettes. Sealed. Grateful Dead. Rest of the Doors. Playing music loud, so I gotta cut it off. Hey guys, look who I ran into at the flea market. Got Mojo Casher here.
Yeah, did a little shopping on Halloween.
Filling up suitcases. Filling up.
They're on their third load, they said.
That's right.
It's
Third trip
crazy.
in the car. Just
Can't help
open
it.
the shop up in Lebanon. Stop out and see us.
Anytime.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Man.
And make sure you guys check out their YouTube channel. I put it down below.
We don't have our
They find some killer vintage items, man.
Heck
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
buddy.
Good meeting you guys.
Good meeting you, brother.
You.
That's all.
There's the belly guard there and the pants, Kevlar pants. All the swords and extra handles and stuff. Shield, $40.
That one.
Is this your stuff?
Yeah.
How much you asked on that?
Oh, I don't know. I think she had 75 on that. I have to ask her.
75?
Let me see. I think it was 75. She just went to get us something to eat. Let me call her and ask her.
Gotcha.
Okay. What's going on my phone? Being ridiculous. Well, I'll tell you, I've had the worst trouble with phones
I heard it.
and tablets. I went home and I used this tablet every day and I plugged it in and I guess the cord went bad or something. And I had it overnight. Next morning I went in, this is just this week. I'm surprised it didn't burn the house down with me in it. And I picked it up and that cord fell apart. The rubber.
Really? Wow.
Hello? This thing you got here, this, I don't know what it's called, a Sphero. How much? Yeah. She said she'd take 70 for it.
Okay.
It hasn't been opened.
What do you want? Hold on, don't get on. How about these two Nintendo games? How much?
I take $12 for the both of them.
$12 for both.
Thank you, though.
I'll have to pass, but thanks.
Do what?
I'll pass, but thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Hey, what's up, guys? Shadjuice here. I had to cut the videotaping for the flea market a little short because I got a message that a family member had passed away, so I just stopped what I was doing and got in my car and talked to some people and found out what happened, and it was real sad. So, but it's the next evening. I wanted to show you guys at least what I got while I was there. I did run into the Mojo fam. It was nice meeting you guys. You guys are super nice, man. Just really great people. If you would, go check out their channel. It's going to be linked below. So definitely go check them out. They find all kinds of crazy vintage stuff. They know like a secret location that's got just big warehouses packed from the ceiling to the floor with old vintage clothes. It's pretty insane. They just opened their own new store, so definitely go check them out. Link will be below. But let's get into what we found. Now I showed a little bit of this find on video, but I had to cut it off because she was playing music really loud. So we got some cassette tapes. I bundled all this stuff together. She wanted $1 a piece on these. We got Grateful Dead, Wake of the Flood on cassette, Best of the Doors, Van Halen 2. Most of these aren't crazy value. We got Red Hot Chili Peppers. I thought maybe that would be something, but it wasn't. But then we got Rolling Stones, Dirty Work. This is brand new sealed. Might go to 10 to 15 bucks. There's a bunch listed, so. And when I scan this, there's only one listed for new for $40. So this might have a little bit of value. But I got hundreds of rock cassette tapes right now, so I got enough to make good lots of them. So that's why I've been picking them up. We picked up the Lion King here on the Genesis. Just case and cartridge. I think she charged me like $2 for that. Just couldn't leave it behind. We picked up this Sony remote control. It goes for about $15 shipped, somewhere around that range. It was clean in the inside. We got a Panasonic cassette adapter for VHS tapes. Or you can put the mini ones in there that are recorded and stick them into the VCR. These are usually worth money if you find them, guys. I would say this one's probably $30 to $40. And then we picked up 4 of these Sensory Pro monthly flea and tick things for dogs. It's a 4-month supply. I'm thinking I'm going to list 2 at a time for $25 free shipping. So I'll have 3 sets of those. So that could be a $25 a $75 gross profit deal there. So I'm thinking I can gross over $100 on this $20 investment. That's what I paid for this little lot. So I thought that was pretty good. At another sale, everything on this table was $1. And look, it was another one of these VHS things. So this is Alte brand. It's brand new. I was seeing these sell for $35 free shipping. It's not a brand name one, so if it was like that Panasonic brand new, it's probably 60, 70 bucks, I would assume. Then we got this Lee. It's a Strimer Show Yourself 8-pin extension. It's like a computer part, and I'm pretty sure they light up and stuff. So that's complete in there. And that was $1. This seems to go for around $40-ish. So $2 in the 75 gross sales. That's pretty good. This other little stop at the flea market, they had this old Annie clock radio, which I thought was neat. It's missing the battery cover, I would assume, but I did crank it on.
Tissue donor today.
It does work. So it's pretty cool. It's from what was it? Yeah, 1981. There's a bunch listed, but they didn't look like they were sold. I need to clean it up a little bit. I might just keep it. I don't know. And then we got this old vintage squirt gun. I didn't know much about it at first, but I did some research. It's the Lone Ranger Tonto. I think it's from the 70s. I'm pretty sure the button right there is missing. That's where the water goes in. Comes out right there. It's not worth nothing. So there's a Superman one listed that somebody wants a lot of money for from the 60s, but there was Donald Duck ones, all kinds of different ones, but I don't know. Just took a shot on it. I'm not gonna make nothing on that. Then they had these old vintage cue balls, which you can do really good on stuff like this. I cannot find a comp on this to save my life. They're made by Cooper. And I got 4 of them. And I cannot find them anywhere. So I've looked on WorthPoint, eBay, Google. Can't find it nowhere, so I don't know what the price of that, but I got 4 of them, which is cool. What do you want, boy? So, alright, that's it for the flea market. That's all I got there. Like I said, I only pretty much got through halfway through it, and I think I did pretty good. Especially when I got there, it was 10 o'clock. So I am missing one thing that's not in here. It's alright. There's a little yard sale on the same road on the way home. I picked up this stuff. We got this classic 200 cartoons. It's got some Popeye on it, some Casper, some Woody Woodpecker, Felix the Cat. I thought maybe Mikey would like to watch this or something. Maybe we can pop it in and watch some episodes. What do you think? Want to try some old cartoons? Yeah?
Can we do this when we get up?
Let's see. And I got this old Nintendo. I asked if she had stuff, and she ended up pulling this out, but that's all she had. It was pretty yellowed. I think I got that for $4. Paid $1 for this. And then I had a Switch Elmo game that was brand new. I think it had like a hand puppet or something with it. That's not in here. I think it's in the car still. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed the little outing to the flea market. Still picked up some good stuff for being, 10 o'clock, and I didn't spend a whole lot of time there. So thanks for watching the video. Peace out.